I'm going to show you how to draw a red and white Japanese chin in colored pencil from a photo. For the medium, I used a colored pencil set by Faber-Castell called Polychromos. For white, the best pencil is by Caran d'Ache, number 6901. The paper I use is by Stonehenge. The pad of 15 sheets is called Legion. I constantly used a pencil sharpener by Prismacolor, the Scholar model, and a battery-powered eraser by Ohuhu. To blend the pigments, I use Gamsol solvent and blending stumps. For corrections, I use a titanium white powder by Brush and Pencil. When I need more control for fixing whites, I use an acrylic marker by Uniposca. For fine corrections to blacks, I use Prismacolor premium markers. To change the background color and make the subject stand out more, I use watercolor paint by Grumbacher and brushes by Artist Loft. First, I do a sketch with a fine-tipped pencil. I'm trying to get the proportions right. It's easy to make corrections using an eraser when I haven't committed to color yet. The first part I color are the eyes, because the color and shading are simpler than the rest. If you don't get the eyes right, the rest doesn't matter. When I say eyes, I mean the retina, the eyeballs, the eyelids, everything surrounding the eyes. The nose and mouth also have relatively simple colors, so I do that quickly. The hard part is doing the red fur. It's long and silky hair. Unlike the black and white Japanese chin, the red can change color with the surrounding light. Sometimes it's almost strawberry blonde. Sometimes it's rusty brown. I must give it lots of layers of different colors in that range. It's many colors. Here, I've already added the blue background to make the dog stand out. I did it with watercolor so it wouldn't have streaky lines. On the red fur, I used Gamsol solvent to blend the pigment from the pencils with a blending stump. The top of a Japanese chin's head is much whiter than the rest because that's where light is most reflected. I increased the intensity of the white using a titanium white powder, which you must dissolve with a special solvent from the manufacturer. Once dry, you can also color over it in case you put the wrong color. I correct the fine white areas using an acrylic marker and the fine black areas using an India ink pen. See the finished work on linesandstrokes.com or Fine Arts America. Please stay tuned by liking my page. Thanks for watching.